Hello everyone, welcome back to the world of plants. In this session, we will perform an experiment. Through this experiment, you will learn how air is released through stomata. For this experiment, you will need a fresh leaf, hot water and a transparent bowl. Plant leaves containing oxygen gas release it in the form of bubbles through stomata when placed in hot water. This confirms the presence of stomata in leaves. I hope you enjoyed performing this experiment. Show some love by giving a like to the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.